Here I have Vivo X80 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, then go to the watermark and enable custom watermark here. So you can add your custom word, I don't know, it could be your name, your nickname, I don't know, some quote, I don't know what is the limit of symbols. So let's try to enter just HardReset.Info, and this quote name fits here. So yeah, and as you can see, when you take a photo, it will be marked with the watermark just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.